I Wish It Would Rain by The Temptations. One of my favorites. Enjoy. King from TSMA. Sunshine, blue skies, please go away. My girl found another and gone away. Without in my future, my life is filled with gloom. So day after day, I stay locked up in my room. I know to you, this might sound strange, but I wish it would rain. Oh yeah. Cause so badly I wanna go outside. 'Cause everyone knows that a man ain't supposed to cry. Listen, I got to cry, 'cause crying eases the pain. Oh yeah. It would just hurt me deep inside. Words can never express. I just wish it would rain. Let it rain, 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 rain. Ooh, let it rain. Oh yeah, let it rain. Ooh. Day in, day out, my tear-stained face pressed against the window pane. My eyes search the skies and desperately for rain. Cause raindrops behind my teardrops, and no one will ever know that I'm crying when I go outside. It would just hurt me deep inside. Words can never express. I just wish it would rain. Oh yeah, it would just hurt me deep inside. Words can never express. I just wish it would rain. Oh yeah, and I may not got my pride. Oh, let it rain. Thank you.